Now for a little bumblebee fuzz. I like to add it for extra zing. Whoa! Huh? This cauldron only mixes exact potion ingredients? No extras? Is it me, or is this new cauldron kind of bossy?
Have you girls seen your old potion pot?
Cauldron? Last time we saw him, he was in the yard.
Not anymore. I guess the old bull decided to go for a stroll.
What? He's never been outside the yard before. He'll get lost. And unlike some cauldrons, he always lets me add bumblebee fuzz. Let's go find our cauldron charm.
That beautiful fountain of
Lollipop! Slideshow!
Johnny, have you tried this Slurpee?
Not that quickly, hon.
It comes in 40
Lollipop!
I don't know if we have time.
Why? This place is open all night. Right, sir?
Yes.
Johnny, look! They're making a TV show about this place and we're the stars! Hello, world!
Awesome.
It's totally awesome. You're so lucky, Cal.
Hello, world.
Lollipop.
Okay, Murray, your turn.
Excuse us? Do you know where someone can get a bite around here?
Did you seriously just ask a vampire where to get a bite?
Oh gosh, I didn't mean, we're not from around here.
This is so embarrassing. Just keep going.
Sorry to bother you. Love your chocolate cereal.
So, what do you want me to do now? Denisovich, you won't believe it. The mummy can crash through walls and turn into a swarm of beetles and put a curse on anyone.
That sounds mean.
It's fun, me. Okay, so check it out. Murray's going to conjure up the biggest sandstorm you've ever seen. Hit it.
Sandstorm?
It's been a while. Not my problem. Do it. Say your little spell.
Okay. I got this. Frank, Wayne, Griffin, just try not to faint. Lollipop.
Oh, wait.
How cute!
Lollipop. Oh, heaven. Tweet. Are you sweet or that lollipop? Or do it right?
Holy rabies! This looks like a blast!
I don't know, maybe. This can be pretty dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. Of course, I rock these bikes. May I, little dude? Check it out! Oh yeah! This is how I rolled every summer. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I think I scratched it.
Lollipop.
My turn!
Maybe, I told you. It took me years to get this good.
Well, I'll give it a try.
Yeah, yeah. This one is for the coach. Come on, we rode in. Good times. Come for the ride of your life. This is your world. My town. Together we were born to rise into the sunshine. Come on. Oh, you feel me now? That's my girlfriend, suckers.
Your wife, John.
My wife, even better.
That was sick, lady.
Lollipop. Lollipop. Oh my god.
That's cool. I have a cousin from Pennsylvania. Oh, these little guys are so sweet. Dennis would love them. What an awesome place to raise a kid.
Lollipop. Lollipop. Lollipop.
Maybe tubular.
Lollipop, lollipop. Okay.
Oh, hey, it's after 3 in Transylvania. I'm gonna check on Dennis, okay?
What in the waiting for? I am intrigued.
Chocolate cereal. Are you
The
kidding?
lollipop,
It's okay, Drac.
lollipop, lollipop.
What's going on?
Oh yeah, you should embrace it like I did. I've got a best-selling workout video. Follow me, ladies. Right and left. No, girls, watch me. You're not watching. Here we go. And 8, and 7, and 6.
That's not me, guys.
Come on, even Bigfoot's tearing it up in the German soccer league.
Bigfoot, blockiert noch einmal, Bigfoot! Oh no, oh no, no, no. It's babies.
You gotta answer it.
You're pushing too hard. Lighter.
All right. Denise, wake up. Oh boy, he's out cold.
I got this.
Dad, what took so long?
What? Nothing, maybe. We're all great here at the hotel, just doing hotel things. Sorry, can't handle your breath.
I hear you.
How are you?
We're having a blast. We just went biking and mini-marting. It's so fun here. Is Dennis okay?
Oh, of course. You want to see him?
Yes, I do. Hi, baby. How are you? Mommy.
I happy.
Aw.
Hey, little dude.
Why is he wearing sunglasses?
Oh, we were playing. It's a superhero thing.
Give us, I'm Sunglasses Man to the rescue.
Take it down a notch.
Bye.
You sound funny.
Oh, no, that's his sunglasses man voice. Static. Oh, the signal is bad. Baby, are you there?
Yeah, I'm still... All right. I guess he's having fun.
Of course he is.
Wow, I nailed it with the sunglasses, man. Right off the top of my head. I threw in a kabaz. Everyone see that?
She said she was having fun. Johnny's blowing it. She's biking and mini-marting.
Lollipop, lollipop.
Almost there or what?
Are you
Okay.
serious? What happened? Tree. What a project.